The question is, what is the most embarrassing moment you've had on the racetrack?
Oh, definitely this morning. I don't know if you guys saw that, turn one. I went in way too hot, like couldn't get a stop in fifth gear and just went straight off. All the grass is puddle.
Let's see.
I was wondering what that grass was. I thought they just like mowed the lawn.
Oh, you mowed the lawn for them.
Yeah.
How nice.
Yeah, I cleaned out turn one for everybody. That's probably hands down my most embarrassing moment was today out of all the places it was today. But whatever, that's what happens in GTA.
Right?
New Jersey.
Are you working? What kind of work? What is it you want to do when you
Send it. I'm gonna be a 10 out. That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine. Yeah, surprisingly, I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate. I'ma start collecting props, connecting plots, networking like a conference. Cause the nonsense is yet to stop. Jake, shake me down. Haters wanna take me down, break me down, clap. All they heard was a sound. Yo, I scoped it out. I took your weak dream and choked it out. You don't really got no. She just poked it out on the D-Lo. I'm saying you versus me, yo. We can do this right here in front of your people. See, time is money, kid. And BS walks. And to me, it's funny, kid, when you meet heads talk. I see feds talk. They wanna dig up the dirt, son. Is it me they are? Cause I be putting in work, son. Be a tit up. That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine. Yeah, surprisingly, I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate. Your cornballs get stonewalled, blackball, I don't know. The veteran, running my plan. I'm the better man, crazy raw. Doing my job like the mob, blazing y'all and disappearing in the fog or a mist. And chicks can't resist when I kick. They begging for attention. That's a whole business. Word up, baby. Someone may have to get hurt up, baby. Mad shady, but I got to get the gravy. Platinum respect like the force of attack. Keep you hitting the deck, feeling heat in your chest. Hanging the thoughts with the hot onslaught. I kick a shot on the spot for going where he should not. Viciously, I make history instantly. Those other they get up on me. I'm doing my thing now to lamp later on. Paid with some fly gators on, but now I'm grimy as they get. Mud on my pants and shirt. I bet you out here know I be putting it work. I'm gonna be on Titter. That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine. Yeah, surprisingly, I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate.
Border qualified pro in this business of real. Border qualified pro in this business of real. Border qualified pro in this business of real.
Are you working? What kind of work do you do? Alright, what is it you want to do when you grow up?
Hey, no cheating, all right? No behind the camera. No behind the camera.
Fork broke.
Spray the record holder. Holy. Fiona's doing it right. She's like, I'm just drinking this shit. Oh man, that's the love. This is your street all-wheel drive podium. Good job, guys. Marcos does not have a premature detonation issue. Woo! Great job, guys. Here's your unlimited rear-wheel drive podium. Yeah! That's how you get a staph infection. The overall winner, William Al Young, Fiber Performance PZ Tuning, Honda Civic SI. I hope he takes this momentum into World Time Attack and hurts people's feelings, man. Good job, Will. Hey, guys, I want to thank you all for coming out to Global while Will's getting lit up. Woo! Look at him, look at him.
I'm here at Global Time Attack. We out here.
Track on, track off.
So we're gonna go around and do car racing confessionals. What is the most embarrassing moment they've had on the racetrack?
Being slower than Miata, to be honest. You're like, alright, go ahead. See ya.
My first track day on Gingerman, I pushed my friend off the track.
Oh my gosh!
A friend that she hasn't even said hi to before, and she had to say, "Hi, my name is Fiona. We talk on Facebook. Sorry, I pushed you off the racetrack."
Almost going off the track, spooking the person behind me, and then he went to the grass and just kept going to the grass. And I'm like,
off-road.
I'm like, sorry. I don't know if I'm forgetting to put gas.
Yeah, that's kind of neat. Kind of neat
Running out
that.
of gas and then having the splitter torn off by the tow truck.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty bad.
When I hit the wall at Red Atlanta.
Okay.
Gotta be like my #1 most embarrassing.
I did a burnout in grid on accident in reverse. It's pretty embarrassing.
Nice.
I thought I was in first and I went to done it and I was in reverse. Yeah, that was embarrassing for everybody involved. I was like super heated and like in a horrible mood and like I thought I was in first gear and I was in reverse and I was gonna dump it and it went backwards and I'm like, I'm just gonna keep sending it backwards. Lots of bad decisions made all around.
That's awesome. Awesome.
I really beat the whole eating crap on the podium thing.
Last session of the day, I killed my splitter, and one of the fastest S1000 drivers in the country, Robert Thorne, offered to make me a replica splitter right off his car, so I drove all the way over there in Pennsylvania. It's about an hour away, but eventually we got there and he got this really nice setup, and these shocks are actually off his fastest S1000 in America.
Got stuck in Philadelphia in the worst traffic ever.
Did you stop for a cheesesteak?
No. Well, I stopped. If they had cheesecake stands on the side of the highway, it'd be full of cheesesteaks. Cheesesteaks.
If I go to Super Lap Battle and I don't run a 55 or faster, I'm going to either put the car on Craigslist in California or I'm going to take it to the Hoonigan's Donut Garage and I'm going to wreck it. I'll be internet famous if I do that.
What have you to say to anybody who's thinking about coming out to a Global Time Attack event?
Do it. Don't have excuses. Don't buy things for your car. Just pay that entry fee and come have a great time. Simple.